Hello and welcome to the February 1st edition of Spread Hunter's Daily Safari. Now, strangely enough, we're going to touch on two of the very same things that we looked at on Tuesday, and that is the SPY and the UVXY. And what we're going to look at in the UVXY are the 11 puts. They closed at 38 cents according to my calculations here, and they traded as high as the 11.5 puts, which would have been 75 cents because the UVXY was at least 50 cents lower. It might have traded down very close to 10, and one of the spikes up today in the market. And similarly with the SPY, we ended up the day long we bought a vertical for next Wednesday's vertical. So we bought the 3.5, 4.5 vertical. I think we paid around 25 cents. I don't have it right in front of me at the moment, but you can see it closed at 29 cents and captured part of the bounce. We have 3 more days to play with that position, but if we get, you can see on the grid here, 50 cents on this position will get you another 6 cents on the spread, and $1 will get you 11 cents. That will change as we get closer to expiration and Friday rolls into Monday. Those numbers will get wider. But right now, that's what you can expect. So your 25 cents, if it goes to 35 or 40 cents, that's a very substantial profit for a one-day trade, and we'll probably take that profit. The only thing else of real note today was the parade of earnings. We had, first of all, the SPY was down a little over 1% for the day. We had, hold on a second here. Sorry, I lost my notes, but we had Amazon up 6% after the close, but it should be noted that that was on the heels of a 4% decline the day before. So net, it's up 2% for the 2 days. We had Apple up 3.5%, and we had Google down 2%, with good earnings, but, not good enough for whoever was, producing the metrics that these are going to be measured by. The only other thing I wanted to say about Apple was it is, again, within striking distance of the first $1 trillion company. It has their net worth is $853 billion, and it will take about, the stock closed at 70, I don't have it in front of me, 77, I think, and it'll have to go up another 22 points, just under 200, and the company's net worth of the company will go through $1 trillion, which other people expect, and as I do too. So we'll be keeping an eye on that, and we'll be watching the volatility play out, and we'll be watching the SPYs and see if they catch a bid tomorrow. Okay, that's all we got for tonight. Good night.